Good morning, dear student. Welcome back to the Army class, and today I will teach chapter number 13. Chapter name is why do we fall ill? Okay, and today we will discuss about immunity, immunization, and vaccination. Okay, main topic is a specific way of preventing disease. Okay, the main topic is today class topic is specific way of preventing disease. Okay, so student, you would have seen that sometimes if a person gets a type of disease, he does not get it again. Okay, this is related to body immunity. Okay, this is related to body immunity. Okay, so nowadays occurs of the smallpox is rare. Okay, but about 100 year ago is was very survived, and smallpox has earlier. Okay, he had to change up getting smallpox attacks of some same disease. Okay, so this was the basis of immunity and immunization. Okay, immunity and immunization. Okay, so what is the immunity? Okay, so the immunity is the body ability to fight off foreign substances, viruses or bacteria by producing antibodies or cells that can kill or neutralize these foreign substances or cells. Okay, what is immunity? Immunity is the body ability to fight off foreign substances, viruses or bacteria by producing antibodies or cells that can kill or neutralize these foreign substances or cells. Okay, after this the next topic in this chapter is immunization. Immunization. Okay, so thus with the help of immune system, okay, with the help of immune system, body is able to distinguish between its own or substance and foreign substances. Okay, when the body recognizes foreign substances, it makes special antibodies or cells that attack the pathogen and kills them. Okay, when these antibodies and special cells are produced, it is called immune response. Okay, so what is immunization? So the immunization is the process of developing. Okay, immunization is the process of developing immunity or resistance against the particular pathogen. Okay, immunization is the process of developing immunity or resistance against a particular pathogen. Okay, and the next topic from this chapter is vaccination. Okay, next topic from this chapter is vaccination. The terms coined by Edward Jenner. Okay, the terms coined by Edward Jenner. It is the process of administering vaccine into the body for developing resistance against a particular disease. Okay, against a particular disease. Okay, so the vaccination. Okay, vaccination is biological preparation of dead or weakened microbes that improve immunity to a particular disease. Okay, so student, a vaccination against a particular disease will protect against that particular disease only. Okay, and the vaccine can be introduced in the body of person mostly by injection and sometimes orally when vaccination or vaccines enter the body, okay, it stimulates white blood cells, okay, in the body to produce antibodies against the disease causing germs, okay. So student, there are some examples below 1 year, okay, children below 1 year, BCG vaccine. Why? Protection against tuberculosis, okay, and DPT, okay, why? Protection against diphtheria, okay, and oral polio vaccine, protection against polio, okay, children above 1 year, MMR, okay, protection against measles, mumps and rubella, okay, and TT, protection against tetanus. So there are many important vaccines, okay, for children's, okay, and before 1 year, one vaccine give the children chickenpox vaccine, okay, protection against measles, chickenpox, okay, chickenpox vaccine, protection against chickenpox, okay, and measles vaccine, protection against measles, okay. So I hope understood all of you today class topic, specific way of protection disease, about immunity, about immunization, and about vaccination. Regarding this topic, any doubt, feel free to ask me. Have a nice day. Good day.